3 years ago, we might have thought, okay, sounds interesting, but sounds kind of boring. But today, it's necessary. You guys are one of the first companies out there, right? To really go to B2B big companies and say, we got the whole platform unified for you.
Absolutely. The concept of occupational health is not new. It's been going on for a long time. One of our board members that we added, we did a little bit of a shuffle on our board. We added 2 new board members. One of them actually came out of Johns Hopkins, and Dr. Nimisha Kalia, and she's now at GE. She's actually the chief medical officer at GE today. But while she was at Johns Hopkins, she structured occupational health for big corporations. That's what she did. It exists today. The difference, though, is that we're bringing an intelligent approach to all of this, meaning there's data. It's a data-driven model. I sat with a CEO about a week ago here in the US. I'm actually down here this week dealing with some of our offices. So I'll be back up in Canada, hopefully Friday, if all goes according to plan. And the CEO told me flat out, he is now competing with Amazon for talent, where it was never a problem before. So if he can offer a perk, which is healthcare, and give that to them as a model that will now attract employees, well, now he's got something to compete against Amazon with as an employer. When you've got tens of thousands of employees, this becomes a real issue. And, the Great Resignation is very real this year. That's very well documented. But the other challenge is getting a larger labor force to come to work. And how do you attract that talent? And the feeling among big CEOs I've spoken to so far, in this journey has been unanimously, find me something that attracts them. But at the same time, if you can give me a predictable model where I know the health and safety of my employees and my workforce, and I have an idea of how much longer I've got with them, or, are we doing things to keep people on board a couple of years longer because we're keeping them healthier and happier? Well, then we've achieved our goals. And for them, it's got to be that way for them to persevere over the next decade or so, because they're going to need to have this just to compete for talent.
Hey guys, this video is over, but don't forget to help your company by liking it and then leaving a comment below. And then don't forget to help yourself by subscribing to our channel so you don't ever miss another great Agoracom small cap video.